Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. This is a channel of playlists mostly. I'm just going to explain you how to make the best of the playlist. So at the very beginning, it was some years ago, I created a channel for my students, but I soon realized that I had better make it available for just everybody. So and I did it. The principle is quite simple. You just have to connect every day, once a day, and even more if you feel like working more, but once a day is the minimum, and just watch carefully a video. That's it. So, in fact, every day I post a new video, and I select the videos on very different topics from top channels. So, the idea is that I don't want you to waste your time searching the net without knowing what to listen to. I just do the job for you, and your job consists in concentrating on what is said in the video. So about the level, the videos I select are more or less difficult to understand, but even if you find them quite difficult, um, just keep on listening, and step by step, after a few weeks, you notice that you've improved. So first you'll be able to catch some words, then groups of words and some sentences, and so on. But never worry, actually. Um, in case you feel like doing more, you can watch the same video many times. You can check with the subtitles what you've understood. You can try to translate, or even some of the videos aloud. So just feel free to be imaginative and creative. And if you are a teacher and you would like to use the channel with your class, no problem with that, of course. So I think that's all I wanted to say. And remember that the key to success is to have a regular practice and try to find your routine with the channel. So good luck for everything. Good luck on the channel, and all the best. Bye.